One thing that most people don't know about myself is I grew up on a dairy farm in north central Wisconsin. We milked about 40 head, and it's a family-owned farm. My dad's the third generation that owns it. My personal life growing up on a dairy farm, I always learned that safety was a huge factor in everyday work. At work, I joined the Joint Safety Committee, which allows me to have my foot in the door with the safety department here and help out every employee get home safe at the end of the day. So being in the finishing department, we're the last step before the customer receives the product. Keeping the machines up and running to their top spec is how we need to be to make our product the best product in the world. After I started here, I quickly moved up with my positions and my responsibilities. In our finishing department, we don't have a bunch of personnel there, so I'm actually the planner, the improvement facilitator, and routine facilitator for the maintenance department there. It allows me to improve on the equipment how I see fit and work with my counterparts in production to help improve everything and make the lines run efficiently and better. Coming into Gerdau, being at such a young age, I had the opportunity to be in charge of people of all different age groups and work with others from all age groups. And a lot of it happens to do with respect. Having this opportunity to work with them and get to know them more on a personal level, we were able to figure out common ground, and I was able to let them know that we're all in it for the same goal and we all want this place to run as efficiently and good as possible.